Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the TRALT Ergonomic Office Chair, a premium desk chair designed to deliver comfort, durability, and support for long hours of work, study, or gaming. Product link is in the description below. This chair is built to combine ergonomic design, breathable materials, and everyday usability in one package. The design is sleek and practical, featuring a high back mesh construction that promotes airflow and keeps you cool during extended sessions. TRALT engineered this chair to balance aesthetics with performance, making it suitable for home offices, corporate workspaces, and gaming setups. Its modern black finish blends seamlessly with professional environments, while the durable build ensures long-term reliability. With a weight capacity of 330 pounds, it accommodates a wide range of users. Performance is where this chair shines. Equipped with ergonomic lumbar support, it provides personalized comfort for your lower back, reducing strain during long hours of sitting. The high back design encourages healthy posture, while the breathable mesh reduces heat buildup. The rolling swivel base offers smooth mobility, making it easy to move around your workspace without interruption. Silent wheels glide effortlessly across different floor types, ensuring convenience and stability. Usability and convenience are highlights. The TRALT ergonomic chair offers simple assembly and intuitive adjustments, allowing you to customize seating to your preference. The sturdy frame and reinforced build make it ideal for heavy-duty use, while the ergonomic design ensures comfort during long gaming sessions or office work. Its versatility makes it suitable for professionals, students, and lifestyle users alike. Durability and convenience stand out. Built with TRALT's trusted craftsmanship, this chair is engineered for long-term use. Its blend of durability, efficiency, and sleek aesthetics makes it a smart investment for anyone seeking comfort and productivity. The adjustable features ensure it adapts to different body types and work styles. Use cases are broad. For professionals, it delivers reliable comfort during meetings and projects. For students, it supports long study sessions. For gamers, it provides ergonomic seating for extended play. For lifestyle users, it's a stylish centerpiece that pairs modern design with practical support. In summary, the TRALT Ergonomic Office Chair combines breathable mesh, lumbar support, and durable construction in one package. If this review helped, please subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments.